Students, welcome back to the online classes. We are dealing with the unit Arithmetic Progression. Day by day, the chapter is interesting and you are learning more about the arithmetic progression. In this video, we'll be continuing with the same exercise. Students, now moving to question number 10. The 17th term of an AP exceeds its 10th term by 7. Given condition, we should find D. We should find the common difference D. The 17th term exceeds its 10th term by 7. That means 17th term is equal to 10th term plus 7. Exceeds means you should add. Therefore, given condition says that 17th term is more, that is exceeds the 10th term by what? 7. 17th term is equal to A10 plus 7. This is the given condition. Now, by using the general form of AP, we can write A17 as A plus 16D. A17 is equal to A plus 16D, which is equal to what is A10? A plus 9D. The remaining term 7 as it is. Now, if we check on the both the side, plus A will cancel out. The remaining terms are 16D equals 9D plus 7. Now shift this 9D to LHS. 16D as it is. Now plus 9D, after shifting it becomes minus 9D, which is equal to 7. 16D minus 9D, which is equal to 7D, which is equal to 7. Now dividing both sides by 7, we get D equals 7 divided by 7. Therefore D equals 1. The common difference D equals what? 1. Students, now moving to question number 11. Which term of the AP 3, 15, 27, 39 will be 132 more than its 54th term? The question says that we should find out the value of n of this AP such that it will be 132 more than its 54th term. Now what we should do, we'll split this into 3 steps. First, find out the 54th term of this AP. After finding 54th term of this AP, add 132 to this. Then that becomes AN. The last term becomes AN. Now find out the value of N for AN, that is A54 plus 132. AN becomes 54 plus 132. Then using this, find out the value of N. Students, the first step will find out the 54th term. What is the given AP? Given AP is 3, 15, 27, 39 and so on. What is A equals? A equals 3, D equals A2 minus A1. So D equals, what is 15 minus 3, which is equal to 12. A equals 3, D equals 12. Now we should find out 54th term. What is 54th term? A plus 53D. You can use nth term formula. Otherwise, A54 equals A plus 53D. Now A54 equals, what is the value of A? 3 plus 53 into D value is 12. Now A54 equals 3 plus 53 into 2, multiply 53 into 2, what you get? 2 3s are 6, 2 5s are 10, 1 3s are 3, 1 5s are 5. What you get? 3, 6, 36. We get 636 plus 3 now. Now 54 term equals 639. We have found out 54 term as 639. Students, we need to find out the value of n such that the nth term will be 132 more than its 54th term. Therefore, an equals A54 plus 132. The condition says that an equals more than 132 plus 54 term. So an equals, what is a54? That is 54 term is 639 plus 132. An equals, what is 639 plus 132? You get 771. We get an equals 171. Now using this nth term, find out the value of n. Now using nth term formula, an equals a plus n minus 1 into d. Now what is the value of an? 771. What is the value of a? Which is equal to 3 plus n minus 1 into value of d is 12. Now shift this plus 3 to LHS, you get 771 minus 3 equals n minus 1 into 12. Now 771 minus 3 we get 768, which is equal to n minus 1 into 12. Now divide 12 on both sides, we get 768 divided by 12, which is equal to n minus 1. 12 ones are, 12 six are, 12 fours are. Now we get 64 equals n minus 1. Shift minus 1 to LHS, we get n equals 64 plus 1. Therefore n equals 65. What is the value of n? N equals 65. Students, let us recap this same problem again. We should find out the value of n of this AP such that it will be 132 more than its 54 term, so that an equals 54 term plus 132 more than its 54 term. We should find out 54 term. By using the given data, we will find out 54 term, that is a54 equals 630. Now add 132 to this 54 term, we get 771. Using this last term an, find out the value of n, we get n equals 65. Try to understand the condition. If you understand the condition, the problem will be simple. Now moving to next question. Two APs have same common difference. The condition is there are two APs are there, but they have same common difference. The difference between the 100 terms is 100. The difference between their 100 terms is 100. What is the difference between their 1000 terms? We should find out the difference between the 1000 terms of two APs. Students, consider now two APs. First AP as AP1 and second AP as AP2. Now for AP1, we will consider the first term and the common difference D. The same way for AP2, common difference and the first term, that is first term A and the common difference D. Since two APs have same common difference, I will consider D as D. I will consider the common difference for both as D, but the first term is different. I will consider the first term of AP1 as X and the first term of AP2 as Y. Now what we will do? We will find out 100 term and the 1000 term of AP1. In the same we will find out 100 term and 1000 term of AP2. Now what is A100? 100 term equals A plus 99D. What is A1000? A plus 999D. The same way for AP2, A100 equals A plus 99D. A1000 equals A plus 999D. Now substitute A as X for AP1, for AP2 A as Y. We get X plus 99D. Here X plus 999D. Here replace A by Y. Y plus 99D, and for 1000 term it is Y plus 999D. Students, we have found out 100 term, 1000 term of AP1. In the same way, we have found out 100 term and 1000 term of AP2. Now the given condition is the difference between their 100 term is 100. Therefore, given condition is 100 term of AP1 minus 100 term of AP2 is 100. Therefore, we get 100 term is what here? X plus 99D minus 100 term of AP2, that is Y plus 99D. What is the difference between the 100 term? It is 100. Therefore, X plus 99D plus into minus 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 Y plus into minus minus, we get 99D, which is equal to 100. Now plus 99D minus 99D will cancel out, we get X minus Y equals 100. That is the difference between their 1000 term we should find out. The given is what? Difference between their 100 term is 100. What we should find out? We should find out the difference between the 1000 term, that is X plus 999D minus Y plus 999D. We should find out the difference between their 1000 term. This is the 1000 term of AP1. It is the 1000 term of AP2. That is X plus 999D. Now plus into minus minus Y plus into minus minus 999D. Now plus 999D minus 999D will cancel out. The remaining term is X minus Y. What is the value of X minus Y? Which is equal to 100. Therefore, the difference between the 1000 term is 100. The difference between the 100 term is 100, and the same, the difference between the 1000 term is also 100. Students, it is a very important concept from the examination point of view. Let me recap this problem again. Two APs have same common difference, but their first term will be different. And then the second condition is the difference between the 100 term is 100. We should find out the difference between the 1000 term. Now we'll consider AP1, A and D. A as X, you can take any variable, and D as the common difference D, you can take any variable, but for AP1 and AP2 it should be same. For AP2 I'll consider first term as Y. I'll find out 100 term and 1000 term for AP1. In the same way, I'll find out 100 term and 1000 term for AP2. Substitute the value of A and D in the formula. We get 100 term as X plus 99D, 1000 term as X plus 999D. In the same way, 100 term here as Y plus 99D and 1000 term as Y plus 999D. The condition is the difference between the 100 term. What is the 100 term for AP1? X plus 99D. And 100 term for AP2 is Y plus 99D. Minus it, the difference will be 100, that is X plus 99D minus Y plus 99D. We get plus 99D minus 99D will cancel out. X minus Y equals 100. Now we should find out the difference between the 1000 term. X plus 999D minus Y plus 999D plus 999D minus 999D will cancel out. We get X minus Y. But what is the value of X minus Y from this? It is equal to 100. Therefore, the difference between the 1000 term is 100. Practice this problem again. Students, thank you for watching the video. Hopefully the class was interesting and you have enjoyed the class. Until the next video, try to practice all these problems, and also if you find my videos are useful, please subscribe, like and share my video.